What if I told you there's a golden spice that can fight inflammation, boost your brain power, and even help you lose weight? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, modern science is proving what ancient healers knew all along. Turmeric is a superstar when it comes to your health. In fact, studies show that turmeric's active compound, curcumin, has anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and disease-fighting properties that can transform your health. But how exactly can this ancient spice work for you? In this video, we'll uncover the top 7 amazing benefits of turmeric, and trust me, the last one will blow your mind. So, grab a cup of turmeric tea, sit back, and let's dive in. 1. Powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Let's start with one of turmeric's most well-known benefits, its anti-inflammatory power. Inflammation is your body's way of fighting injury and infection, but when it becomes chronic, it can lead to serious diseases like arthritis, heart disease, and even cancer. Here's where turmeric shines. Curcumin, its active compound, has been shown to reduce inflammation at the molecular level. In fact, a study published in the Journal of Clinical Immunology found that curcumin is as effective as some anti-inflammatory drugs, but without the nasty side effects. So, if you're dealing with arthritis, muscle soreness, or chronic pain, adding turmeric to your diet could be a game changer. 2. A natural antioxidant boost. Next up, turmeric is a natural antioxidant powerhouse. Oxidative stress, caused by free radicals, is a major driver of aging and chronic diseases. Turmeric doesn't just fight oxidative stress, it also boosts your body's own antioxidant defenses. Research in the Journal of Biochemistry shows that curcumin stimulates your body to produce more antioxidants naturally. Think of it as a double shield against aging and disease. Who wouldn't want that? 3. Supports heart health. Did you know heart disease is the leading cause of death worldwide? The good news? Turmeric can help protect your heart in multiple ways. It improves blood circulation, lowers bad cholesterol, LDL, and reduces inflammation in your blood vessels. A study in the American Journal of Cardiology even found that curcumin improves endothelial function, that's the lining of your blood vessels, helping regulate blood pressure and prevent heart disease. So, if you're looking to keep your heart healthy, turmeric is a simple and natural way to start. Enhances brain function. Here's one of my favorite benefits. Turmeric can boost your brain power. Curcumin increases levels of BDNF, a growth hormone essential for brain function. Low BDNF levels are linked to Alzheimer's, depression, and memory loss. A study in the Journal of Psychopharmacology found that regular turmeric consumption improved memory and reduced symptoms of anxiety and depression. So, if you want to keep your brain sharp and your mood balanced, turmeric might just be your new best friend. 5. A natural remedy for joint pain. If you're one of the millions struggling with joint pain or arthritis, turmeric could be the natural solution you've been searching for. Curcumin's anti-inflammatory properties help reduce swelling and pain. In fact, a study in the Journal of Arthritis Research and Therapy found that curcumin supplements worked just as well as conventional pain medications, but without the harmful side effects. Imagine being able to move freely and comfortably again. Turmeric can help make that a reality. 6. Boosts the immune system. With cold and flu season always around the corner, who wouldn't want a stronger immune system? Turmeric has powerful antimicrobial, antiviral, and antibacterial properties that make it a natural immune booster. A study in the Journal of Immunology found that curcumin enhances immune function by increasing the activity of immune cells. This means your body can fight off infections, colds, and even more serious diseases more effectively. Try drinking turmeric tea or golden milk during flu season to keep your immune system in top shape. 7. Supports digestive health and weight loss. And now for the surprise benefit. Turmeric can even help you lose weight. Turmeric has been used for centuries to treat digestive issues, and modern science confirms its effectiveness. It stimulates bile production, reduces bloating, and supports a healthy gut microbiome. But here's the kicker. A study in the Journal of Metabolism found that curcumin can also reduce fat accumulation and improve metabolism. So, if you're looking to shed a few pounds naturally, turmeric might be the secret ingredient you've been missing. Now that you know the incredible benefits of turmeric, here's how to use it for maximum results. 1. Turmeric tea. Boil water with turmeric, ginger, and black pepper for a health-boosting drink. 2. Golden milk. Mix turmeric with warm milk and honey for a soothing bedtime beverage. 3. Cooking. Add it to soups, curries, and smoothies for an extra health kick. 4. Supplements. If you're on the go, curcumin supplements with black pepper extract can enhance absorption. Always pair turmeric with black pepper. It increases curcumin's bioavailability by up to 2,000%. While turmeric is safe for most people, it's always good to be mindful. Excessive consumption can cause stomach irritation, lower blood sugar, or increase bleeding risk for those on blood thinners. If you have any medical conditions or are taking medication, consult your doctor before adding high doses of turmeric to your diet. Better safe than sorry, right? From fighting inflammation to boosting brain power and even aiding weight loss, turmeric is truly one of nature's most powerful healing spices. So, are you ready to add this golden wonder to your daily routine? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the Disease Vlog, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on more natural health tips. Thanks for watching, and remember, your health is your wealth. See you in the next video.